guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I am done eating and I prefer take a bath for a while because it's too hot outside and I need to wait um I need to wait 2 hours before I'm taking a bath because I don't like to exposed sun outside because masisira yung skin natin. Kailangan pag lumalabas tayo is medyo malamig na ng konti para walang araw at makapagdigo ka. By the way guys, I'm okay now for my GERD because I'm eating a banana and tuyo for sausawan because hindi naman pwedeng kumain tayo ng mga bawal as now. And later on, I'm going to San Fabian for buying ribs na manok and magtitinula po tayo kasi yun lang yung alam ko na pwede kong lutuin and tinula. Tinulang manok. Hindi ko na siguro lalagyan ng bawang kasi bawal kasing garlic sa may garlic. Siguro yung luya lang. Tapos, igigisa na lang. Maigi. Para hindi masyadong um, malansa yung ating tinula later on. Okay, thank you po sa lahat ng nanonood ng YouTube channel ko and thank you rin po sa mga nanonood ng website ko. And sana wag yung i-skip yung ads para makatulong kayo kahit paano sa akin for more update the video. Thank you!